So on Clubhouse, they have something called dues. And dues are like, membership dues or fees. Sometimes on Clubhouse, when you're in certain rooms, what they're doing right now, and which I'm sure they'll do after beta, and I guess this is set up by the I keep saying channel holder because I think it's YouTube, but no, it's Clubhouse. You know, I think it's either by the room holder or some of the moderators in the room. They kind of they're on top of this type of things. So I guess what happens is you pay a fee or a due to speak in certain rooms that may that basically is like supporting the room. It's basically like a pot of money, and you're putting your money into the pot to basically help support the channel holder. I keep saying channel holder, the room holder, or the moderators, or people that's running these rooms that are giving out information, or for the chance to be in the room with the celebrity, or to be around, certain individuals. Now, you could get on YouTube and just do it free, but there are some membership only channels. But what I'm saying is that it's called Clubhouse. The first word in Clubhouse is club. When you go to a club in your city or your state or out of state or in another country or wherever you are, a lot of times you have to pay to get in the club. You understand what I'm saying? So Clubhouse is kind of like Treehouse. You know what I'm saying? Some people they're like, hey man, well if you're gonna be in here and stuff like that, have your conversations, say whatever you want to say, and things of that sort. What you're gonna have to do is you're going to have to pay your dues. And sadly, dues dues may mean that you might have to pay the person in the room, or it may mean that you might have to pay whoever's running the room, or put the money in the pot. Pay like you weigh if you're gonna be in if you're gonna be in here today. Is people gonna find some type of way to make money on these sites. Also, be careful because I heard people are scamming and stuff. Personally, me, there's so much free game getting give away on Clubhouse. I ain't paying a damn thing. But there might be a room that you really might want to pay to be in. You might have taken one of my quick tips. You might have got your audio on point, and you might be able to ask Master P a question. Paying $20 today to ask Master P a question that will, get him in a question that's like open ended, that will get him having to think so that he'll give up information to you. It might be worth the $20. I mean, some of y'all were gonna trick it off anyway. So who am I to hate for people that would like you to pay if they're bringing you a show? Who am I to hate a content creator that creates? My bad. Who am I to hate a content creator that hates? These are quick gems. These are quick tips. I'm content creating right now. There's a Cash App in the description. If you guys got any value from what I'm saying here, you most definitely can hit it because maybe I could take this to the next level. But these are quick tips. This is not me asking you guys for anything. But if you do get value, hey, of course, support a brother. But what I'm saying is that, some places you're going to have to pay your dues because of the gems and information that's given up there. You see, I'm giving you guys gems and information for free. So, some people, they would like to pay for it. Feels a lot better when you pay for stuff. Anyway, that was today's quick tip. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. We got some more quick tips coming for you. We out.